Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support once again and for your views. In this video, we are going to look at some word problems using the sine rule, or which involve the sine rule. So there's a question here and I'm going to read it. A tree is on a bearing of south 36 degrees west from a point X and south 73 degrees east from a point Y. If X is 200 meters due east of Y, calculate the distance of the tree from Y to the nearest meter. So we are going to use this diagram for us to answer this question. So let us look at the diagram which we have here. So this is our point X and Y. So X is due east of Y, or to the east of Y. And between X and Y, there are 200 meters. Okay, this tree represents our tree. So from X, the bearing of the tree is south 36 degrees west. And from Y, the bearing of the tree is south 73 degrees east. The angle between this north arrow and the line which goes to Y is 90 degrees, or a right angle, and also the angle between this north arrow and the line which goes to X is also 90 degrees. And also the angle between this line and the south line here is also 90 degrees. As well, on this side, the angle between this line which goes to Y and this south line is also 90 degrees, which is here. Okay, so first of all, before we proceed, we want to put some angles inside our triangle XTY. Okay, we want to put some angles here and here. So this angle is called angle XYT, this one. So this XYT, for us to get it, we say 90 degrees minus 73. Remember, from this line to this south line, there are 90 degrees. So 90 degrees minus 73 degrees, we get 17 degrees. So the side of this angle here is 17 degrees. Okay. And also here, the size of this angle inside here is 90 minus 36 degrees, which is the YXT. That's 54 degrees. Okay. 54 degrees. And also the size of the angle YTX is 180 minus the sum of this 17 and 54, which is 109 degrees. So here we have got the angle of 109 degrees. Okay, so we're going to use the sine rule. We want to remember, we want to find the length of YT, the distance of the tree from Y. Okay, so using sine rule, YT over sine 54 degrees equals 200 over sine 109 degrees. Okay, so YT is this side divided by the sine of the opposite angle, which is 54, equals to this length of 200 divided by the sine of the angle opposite, which is the sine 109. After cross multiplying, we get YT equals 200 multiplied by sine 54 degrees over sine 109 degrees. It's now a length in meters. So it's finally 171,1266, which is equal to 171 meters to the nearest meter. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.